Now we have a new letter. It's lam, lam. And its sound is la, la. It's written like this. When it is isolated like this, when it is the first letter like this, in the middle, it's like this. And when it is a final letter, like this. You see here, it looks like a mirror image to capital L in English. Look, this is la, and the capital L will be like this. Yes. Can you read this word? It means Yemen, Yemen. 5 letters here. The first is a, it has fatha, so we say a, l. Ya has fatha, ya. Look here, when it is separate, it's like this. When it's isolated, it's written like this. But when it is in the middle, like this, you see? Al-ya, ma, n, al-Yaman, al-Yaman. This word is composed of 4 letters. Mim, Sin, Lam, Mim. The meme has dhamma, so we say mu. Then this is seen, and it has a sign which we haven't studied yet. And then lam has kasra, li, m. We say Muslim, Muslim. So have you noticed the sign on the letter sin here? It's called sukoon. This sign indicates that there is no vowel, whether short or long, following the letter. So here we say Muslim. We don't say sa, si, su, or sa, si, su. No, we just say Muslim. That's why we don't say here sa or si or su. We only say s, mus. It's easy to remember the meaning of this sign because it looks like a small zero, and there are 0 vowels after the letter. Let's read these words. This is mim and this is noon. But mim here has kasra. So will it be ma or mu or mi? Mi. So this will be min. Min. It means from. By the way, we studied before another word like this exactly, but it was man. Mim had fatha. So it was man. Man anta. Man anti. Who are you? Man means who. But here it's me. So the word is min, and it means from. What about this word? 3 letters. A plus ya with sukoon. So we say ay. And then na. Ayna. Ayna. Ayna means where. Can you read this important question? This is min or man? It's min. And this ayna. And then anta. Min means from. Ayna means where. And anta means you for male. So from where you, or where are you from? For female, it will be like this. Min ayna anti. Min ayna anti. So here, you for male is anta, and you for female is anti. What about I? It's ana for both male and female. So you can say ana. Here we say minal Yemen. Here, this is min, from, but when we join it with the following word, we say minal Yemen. And even this alif in the beginning of al-Yemen becomes silent. So we say ana minal Yemen. I am from Yemen. By the way, when lam is followed by alif, there is a special way to combine them. This is lam followed by alif. So how can we connect them? Like this. La. La. La means no. And here also, this is sin plus lam plus alif. Then mim. Sa lam. But when we combine lam and alif, it looks like this. You see? Salam. So when it is in the middle, it's written, the combination of lam and alif is like this. When it is separate or isolated, it can be written like this. So salam. Salam means peace. Now look at this word. It has many letters. Alif, lam, alif also. But what is this? Why it is this part is written below, not above it? Then sa, then la or sin, lam, alif, mim. The first alif has fatha, so we say a. And the lam has sukoon, so we say al. This alif has kasrah, so we say e. That's why we write this part below it. L-E. Then sin has sukoon, so it will be is. Al-is. Then la plus alif, la. Al-islam. Al-islam.